Have you ever avoided checking your bank account balance because you were just too scared to look? Have you ever had trouble sleeping because you were thinking about bills or money? You're not alone. In fact, a 2018 survey showed that 44% of people reported money as their number one source of stress, beating out personal relationships and job-related challenges. Financial anxiety is a feeling of worry, fear, or unease about your finances. It can be caused by a variety of different reasons, not just a lack of funds. Sometimes it's brought on by other forms of anxiety, like generalized anxiety disorder or math anxiety. It can also be caused by feeling unprepared or maybe just not understanding terms or numbers. The most common reaction to financial anxiety is avoidance. If you can't see your finances, you don't know how bad they actually are, right? However, avoiding your finances instead of managing them can cause them to worsen, which in turn causes more anxiety. So how do you overcome it and break the cycle? Make a plan. What is it about your finances that gives you anxiety? Lack of income? Too much debt? Or maybe you're secure now, but you're worried about the future. Identify what you're worried about and lay out a plan. Sometimes just having a plan in place can help to lessen your anxiety. Exposure. This one may seem hard since a common reaction is avoidance. However, just reading finance articles or learning a few finance terms each day might help to ease your worries. Think positive. The first step to overcoming something is to believe that you actually can overcome it. Negative thoughts and words only continue anxious thoughts and can even make them worse. Acknowledge your anxiety in writing. Write about what exactly worries you and when you experience those feelings. The simple act of acknowledging may be the first step to overcoming it. Employ relaxation techniques. Stress and anxiety, even financial anxiety, can have physical symptoms as well as emotional. Counteract these symptoms by trying some stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation. If you're struggling with financial anxiety, you are not alone and you can overcome it.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.